Hi there, dear viewers, welcome you to the Product Reviewers YouTube channel. Are you looking for the best rowing machine to buy for the best workout possible? Look no further, as we listed the top 5 best rowing machines in the market, that you can buy at the moment. As always, for your convenience, we also provided the links to all the products that are mentioned in this video, right in the description down below. So, without any more delay, let's get started with the list. In number 5, we recommend you one of the best budget rowing machines that you can buy from Stamina, the $13.99 ATS Air Rower. In number 4, we have another fantastic budget rowing machines from Sani Health and Fitness, the SFRW5515 with magnetic rowing machine with LCD monitor.
The in-home fitness solution is here with the SFRW5515 magnetic rowing machine. The efficient footprint design does not require a lot of space, making this a perfect machine for any home. Magnetic resistance can make a workout fun and satisfying. Vary your workouts with the 8 levels of resistance. Rowing machines use over 80% of the body's skeletal muscle. Virtually no impact is placed on the body, reducing the amount of stress on the joints. The digital monitor calculates your workout gains and losses. The fully padded seat and non-slip grip handlebar provides optimal comfort, support, and performance for those long-duration workouts. Large anti-slip pivoting foot pedals allow for increased range of motion for more efficient strokes. The slide rail is smooth and quiet, and the length can accommodate many heights. Storage is simple with the foldable design and integrated transportation wheels. Once you start, you won't stop with the SFRW5515 magnetic rowing machine.
In third number on our best rowing machine picks, we have for you is the Stamina's Conversion 2 Recumbent Exercise Bike with Rower.
With a Conversion 2 Recumbent Bike Rower, you get 2 machines in one and double the cardiovascular endurance training potential. The pivoting foot plates and straps provide a larger range of motion and additional security when rowing. Plus, the padded rowing handle makes gripping easier and more comfortable. The aluminum rowing beam provides a smooth seat glide, making your rowing session all the more enjoyable. The easy-to-reach tension dial controls your intensity for rowing and cycling. And with 8 levels of smooth, quiet magnetic resistance, you're sure to feel the burn no matter what workout you choose. The scanning, easy-to-read multifunction monitor displays stats such as distance, calories burned, and workout time for both rowing and cycling workouts. It also tracks workout-specific stats such as strokes per minute when rowing and rotations per minute when cycling. When you're ready to concentrate on your lower body, simply lock the seat into place, lean back, and ride. You'll enjoy the padded seat and seat back. When you're cycling, your feet will be secure while using the textured pedals and straps. Cycling on the Conversion 2 also allows you to utilize the hand pulse sensors, which sync with the monitor. This makes it easy to stay within your target heart rate zone when cycling. You aren't limited to rowing and cycling with the Conversion 2. To perform bicep curls, triceps kickbacks, and forearm curls, put your weight on the stand plates and use the rowing handle. To perform leg presses, attach the rowing handle to the seat and choose your intensity. When you're finished with your workout, fold the frame and wheel it away to the nearest closet or corner if you need to save space. If you're ready to maximize your strength and endurance and minimize gym time, then you're ready for the Conversion 2 Recumbent Bike and Rower.
In number 2, we have for you is the WaterRower's Club Rowing Machine with S4 Monitor.
Allons plonger vers les ciels de Méditerranée.
In number 1 on our list, we recommend you one of the best rowing machines that money can buy, from none other than from Concept 2, the Model D Indoor Rowing Machine with PM5. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video, all products links are in the description down below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. We always appreciate you for watching us. Thank you.